All right, g'day guys. We are back with another episode of Chux Garage. We have a Mopar and it's a wagon, which is what we love. We love wagons here. So let's go see it. All right, we have Ben here and his long roof Mopar. Talk to us, mate. What year is it?
It's a 67 VC Safari. It was originally a 6, but now it's got a 318, pretty stout little 318. When we ran it with the old running gear, she a bit shy of 300 horsepower. The wheels, so
okay.
I had to rebuild chances to bleed a G's out of that. So that's got a rebuilt fresh 904 JSR-built with all billet internals.
Yeah, nice.
And we got a 9-inch with true track 398 gears, straight center, 31 splines, and chrome molly 3-inch tail shaft, little billet end. So running gears all killer now. So we go up in power, we can not have to stress too much.
Exactly right. Now, how long have you had it for?
I've had it for about nearly 4 years now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, got it from a guy here in Adelaide. Originally come from Queensland.
Yeah, all right. Well, was it sort of in good shape when you got it from Queensland?
Yeah, he was a painter, so he had painted it.
Okay.
But mechanical side of stuff wasn't the best.
Wasn't the best, yeah.
Yeah, so I rebuilt, we did bottom end up, put new high flow heads on it, and a bit of fruit and all roll rockers and cam and all that sort of stuff. It's all right for what it is for a little 318.
Yeah, absolutely. And nice cruiser with a bit of stout.
Yeah, cruiser's good.
You know?
Yeah, I'm still running in the diff a bit. Still got a few Ks to go on it, but we give it a bit of shit. So
that's it. He's already keen to do the burnout. So here we go. All right, well, let's put the bonnet and have a look.
Yeah, but yeah, she neatened up all right.
Absolutely. It's very tidy.
Yeah, the ice conditioner and all that. So aftermarket radiator with the thermos and all that.
Yeah.
Thermo control body underneath the battery, which is handy. It has set at 86, sort of 80, I think 88, 90. So even on hot days, it's wicked, yeah.
Well, that's it. You want to be able to cruise it all the time, and especially with the warm weather coming, mate.
Yeah, well, sometimes with no aircon, though, it gets a bit hot sometimes in summer. So.
That's it. Spring cruiser.
The old Vows, they heat up that flywheel pretty good. So doesn't even have heating, so even in winter, it's like
perfect.
It's pretty good.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, it's got tough mounts and everything like that. So the running gear's pretty much set now, so we could do 800 to 1,000 if you wanted. But if I do anything, it'll just be stroke the motor. So get Johnny from JSR to do it. But that's down the line probably.
Well, that's it.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll try jump in the car. All right, let's try getting in this thing. All right.
With the boot on
with the moon boot is always hard. Oh, shit. I don't reckon I can with the moon boot. Hang on. Long legs.
The worst thing too is they never come with seatbelts. So they're aftermarket seatbelts, and because they're retractable, the bail arm sits down here, so you can't the seat all the way back.
All the way back.
So and it's even from there, I could probably go back a bit.
Oh,
you still got the old seats.
Oh, yeah, there's not much spring left in that, eh? Oh, we are tight. Heads on the roof.
I said that.
I do like the bench though, like with the center.
Yeah.
Love a bench seat. Jeez, they're good. Seems like a long way back there, right?
Yeah, it does. And everything folds down dead flat on the seat, so it's just dead flat all the way through.
Yeah, absolutely. This is awesome.
But yeah, she's got the aeroflow shifter. That's all with reverse manual valve bodies and everything like that. So it's all just 3 back, 3 up.
Yeah, okay. That's very good. Yeah, you got to sort of have seatbelts then, don't you?
These days you do. But yeah, because it's whatever it was, it didn't need to have them, but now they're in there, they've got to stay.
I like that. The old blanket there. It's
good. The old Mexican one.
That's it, the old Mexican blanket, for sure.
That's it.
Let me put this bloody moon boot back on. The wheels, mate, what are those? They're center lines?
No, they're actually Street Pros, man.
Okay.
Yeah. So we just got the caps, got them from my mate, Nicholas Tarsier, runs Tarsier tyres. So all the caps and stuff with them, so we just sprayed the centerline caps on them too, look a bit more authentic.
That's it.
Yeah, they're only 2.7 with tyres, so.
Well, that's it. And they look the business, and because normally.
Yeah, all Adelaide caps.
Yeah, that's it. All right, we'll come back up here.
It's got Willwood discs on the back as well.
Oh, perfect.
The VJ front end with the booster, and the booster handled the Willwoods as well. So Sweet. You don't have to change it. Stops on a dime. Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect, especially for a big car. You want them to pull up, you know. You said you sort of, the driveline can handle a bit more power. Is there anything else you're going to do to it? Like you said, stroke or whatever like that. Are you going to take it down the drag strip or anything like that?
Yeah, we probably will. I want bend opens and stuff like that. I'll probably do, if they have one of the Mopar Nationals there, I'll probably do that. It's got pretty tall gears, so it should go right. It's set up to bloody launch, so it's got a 3.8 race converter in it as well.
Okay.
So, and she should flash up pretty good, so.
Absolutely.
For a little 3.8.
Well, definitely keep an eye out for it, that's for sure.
Yeah,
well,
a bit of fun.
Thank you very much for coming on, mate. Really appreciate it. We'll get a photo, sign the wall.
Yeah, no worries.
Keen to have it. See if that.
Yeah, we'll give her a little bit of a little snappish. She should bark up all right. Where are we going anyway?
Anywhere you want, mate. All right. Still burnout, eh? Water. Duct tape. If it doesn't fix it, you're not using enough.